In this video, we'll teach you 4 ways to improve your landscape painting skills. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Let's dive into the 4 ways you can improve your landscape painting skills. Tip number 1 is to understand foreground, middle ground, and background. When you begin to learn about landscape painting, these terms are essential to comprehend. As painters, we portray the depth of imagery in three-dimensional space on a flat surface by using these concepts and more. In essence, the foreground is closest to the viewer, the middle ground exists in between the foreground and the background is far away. To further understand these concepts, check out our video on the subject by following the link in the description below or by clicking the card in the upper right corner of this video. Tip number 2 is to portray distance accurately. Now that you understand the meaning of foreground, middle ground, and background, you can explain distance in your landscape paintings visually. As an artist, you can do this by understanding foreground and background, lighting, contrast, and detail. Each painting will present you with different usage of these art concepts, and they'll make more sense as you move along. For instance, lighting will vary depending on the scenery, and it'll be your choice to use detail to show things that are close up versus far away. Tip number 3 is to get inspired by the masters of landscape painting. For hundreds of years, students of art and painting have looked to the masters of art that lived before them to understand the essential elements of successful paintings. Landscape painting is no different, and looking to the masters can benefit you greatly. The internet is vast. Take some time to look up master painters and view their artwork to gain inspiration for your own works. Some students even go as far as to paint a copy of whichever painting inspires them, and the lessons learned bolster their skills. Be mindful that selling copies of artwork like this would be prohibited as they're not your concept or idea to market. Here are some excellent painters to look up and be inspired by: Claude Monet, J.M.W. Turner, Thomas Cole, John Constable, and Winslow Homer. You can find more information about these artists by using the links in the description below. Tip number 4 is to learn the essential techniques for painting landscapes. As you learn to paint landscapes, you'll realize that there are elements of nature that will be present throughout many, if not all, of your potential artworks. Learning to paint the sky and how to paint clouds, vegetation, and trees with a particular skill level will propel you forward and help you build essential skills for this practice. At Acrylic Arts Academy, we can help you develop your skills with our free guided courses and plentiful techniques tutorials on this channel. Take a moment to visit our website to learn more about our free guided courses, or browse our channel's playlists to learn specific skill sets. In any case, subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Begin your acrylic painting journey by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.